Now see question number 4 of exercise 2.3 of class 10 standard. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Okay, so given polynomial p of x is given to us. Okay, on dividing this polynomial by g of x. G of x is not given to us. We have to find out the g of x. But what is given to us? Quotient and remainder. Quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is minus 2x plus 4. This all is given to us. Okay, p of x is given to us, quotient is given to us, and remainder is given to us. By using all these quantities, we have to find out g of x. Okay, so first write down all the given quantities. Let p of x is equal to, write down the given p of x polynomial, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Okay, and q of x is equal to, quotient is also given to us, quotient is x minus 2 and quotient is x minus 2 and r of x is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so all these quantities are given to us, but we know that by division algorithm we can write this given polynomial as, so write down, therefore by division algorithm by division algorithm we can write given polynomial p of x as, p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, we know the statement of division algorithm. So what is the statement of division algorithm? There we can write p of x polynomial in the form of g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, so here p of x polynomial is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, which is equal to, g of x is not given to us, we have to find out that g of x, so write down it as it is, into q of x is x minus 2 plus r of x is minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this is all given to us. Now see here, minus 2x plus 4 is, this term is add here. Okay, if we transpose these terms to LHS side, okay, it becomes negative. Okay, so transpose this term, therefore x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x plus 4, which is equal to, and in this side gx into x minus 2 is remaining. Okay, now simplify this term, therefore x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus, okay, the multiplication of two negative number is plus 2x and multiplication of one negative one positive number is minus 4, which is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Okay, now see 2x and this x, okay, similar terms, collect the similar terms, 2x and this x becomes 3x, so therefore x cube minus 3x square plus 3x, okay, and this 2 minus 4 is minus 2, which is equal to g of x into x minus 2. Okay, now see, this x minus 2 is multiplied here. When we transpose these two LHS, or on by dividing both side by x minus 2, we get x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 upon x minus 2 is equal to g of x into x minus 2 upon x minus 2. X minus 2 get cancelled, we get only g of x. Okay, and now see here, after dividing this polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 by this polynomial x minus 2, we can easily find out the g of x. Okay, so now apply division algorithm for these polynomials, we can get g of x. So write down applying division algorithm, therefore applying division algorithm we get, okay, so apply the division algorithm, write down x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 and divisor is x minus 2. Okay, so what is the first term of quotient then? Write down first term of, so find out first term of quotient is equal to first term of quotient. How can we find first term of quotient? Then first term of this polynomial is divided by first term of this g of x. So x cube upon x is equal to we get x, and this one x is cancelled, only x square is remaining. Okay, so x square is the first term of quotient. Now we have to take multiplication of this x square with this x minus 2. Again we have to take subtraction, because we what we are doing here, we are dividing this polynomial by x minus 2. So when we take division, we subtract the terms. Okay, so x square into x is x cube, positive x cube, minus 2x into x square is minus 2x square. Okay, so collect the similar terms, write down this 2x square below the term having x square, minus 2x square. Okay, when we take subtraction, terms become, the sign of the terms become changed. Okay, so this term is positive, it becomes negative, this term is negative, it becomes positive, positive and negative subtract. Okay, positive negative terms become cancelled, these two terms are similar. Okay, one having positive sign, another having negative sign, so it becomes 0. Then minus 3x square plus, okay, now we have to take this changed sign. Okay, so minus 3x square plus 2x square is minus x square. Okay, now plus 3x minus 2 are remaining. Okay, again the degree of this minus x square is not less than degree of this x, so we have to continue the process. Okay, now for second term of quotient, what we have to do then? Say for second term, we have to divide the second term of this polynomial by the first term of this g of x. Okay, so divide minus x square by this x, we get x, and this x becomes cancelled, only minus x is remaining. So second term of quotient with sign, we have to take these terms, second term, first term, whatever the terms are we are taking, we have to take that terms with sign. Okay, so minus x, so second term is minus x. Now take the multiplication of this next second term with this x minus 2. Minus x into x is minus x square. Okay, minus x into minus 2 plus 2x. Okay, again we have to take subtraction because we are dividing here, so signs become changed. Okay, this negative term become positive, this positive term become negative. Okay, minus x square plus x, now we have to take this change sign, minus x square plus this x square becomes cancelled, because these two terms are similar but having different signs, so we have to take the subtraction, cancel. Then plus 3x minus 2x is plus x minus 2. Okay, now again see here, degree of this x is not less than again degree of this x, these degrees are same here. Okay, now again we have to proceed, so we have to find out third term of quotient. Okay, so third term of quotient, for third term of quotient what we have to do, we have to divide this x by the x of this g of x. So write down which is equal to x upon x, which is equal to 1. X get cancelled, we get only 1. Okay, so third term of quotient is what? This one, positive 1, because this x and this x are positive, so plus 1. Okay, so 1 into x is x, positive x, 1 into this minus 2 is minus 2. Again we have to take subtraction, sign will be changed, this positive term becomes negative, this negative term become positive, plus x minus x is 0, minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. Okay, so we after dividing we get the remainder as 0. Now g of x is what then? This quotient means our g of x, and therefore g of x is equal to what? This quotient, and therefore g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. Okay, so question number 4. Now question number 5 is easy, try to solve it yourself. Okay, and send me the photos of homework which is given to you. Okay, thank you.